Okay, so I'm in Taipa, and this is actually, there's a street right here. I have never known the name of the street, but we're gonna go into that street a little bit. Give you a little context of where we are. This is all Taipa Central, all those tall buildings up there. And there's building slowly coming this way in Taipa as well. And then there's also down that way, that goes to the casinos of Cotai Strip, and that goes to Taipa Village, just a tiny little area that's pretty popular with tourists. And this area, you don't really see many people at all. This are these massive apartment buildings that seems a little bit isolated right now from all these, but I imagine it's just a matter of time before this will stretch out that way. And then it comes up to the big mountain over there, Taipa Grande. And what we're gonna do is we're in this little roundabout that's kind of not so common. And we're basically just gonna walk down that way. So stay tuned. Hey, check it out Macau 2023. Check out some more streets. Check out those balconies. Like, I think that's a theater hotel, and there's all these beautiful balconies right there. So what we're gonna do is walk down that way. So let me just kind of see how well we can get down our road. Gonna wait for the people to go by a little bit. Let's do a little 360 while we're waiting for the cars. Yeah, actually, a lot of foot traffic, and I think they're coming from these apartments over here. But this road kind of loops around. I think it's called, actually there's a little Povo Chao over there, and then this one's called Rua de Porto. So there's this kind of back row that goes along. So let's just kind of head this way. And what we're gonna do is go down that direction. And I don't know the name of this one, but this road right there is called Rua de Porto, that one. And I think that this one might be Rua de Porto as well. And then this one kind of curves around. Let me just kind of check it out here. So they'll come around like that, and they'll come down this way. And then they'll go around that little roundabout, and they can go any direction they want. And we're gonna go down this way here. And this is the street that I looked it up on Google Maps. I don't see the street. I've never seen a street sign in here before. And so I don't know what you would call it. But there are a bunch of like makeshift homes down in this way. So I'm gonna kind of follow that down, and then I'm gonna come out over there and just kind of see if we can kind of describe it a little bit. See, there's even a mailbox. So there's, if you know the street of that, there's a mailbox there. So there are homes here with mailboxes. So if they must be recognized by the government if they have. But I wonder what street name they would have. Let me know the street name. So if you're viewing this, and I'll copy and paste it and put it down below. So this just looks like mechanics. They must have street addresses. Oh, Forbidden Zone Automobile Service Station. Forbidden Zone. Should I call it Forbidden Zone? And then you can also see all these like little makeshift stuff everywhere. I'm just gonna walk along it. I've also heard people call it No Name Alley as well. Sorry, Dog Alley. Sorry, they'll call it Dog Alley. I'll show you that in a moment. We'll actually walk down it briefly. But the Dog Alley is pretty, I've walked it many times. Or no, sorry, Dog Alley is up that way a little bit. But there's another alley right here too. People just use this as trash. Throw their trash over. So if we walked into that space, there's a street right there. Starting to rain. Dang it. Okay, so we're just gonna stay faithful to the street that we're on, and then I'm gonna do another video where I'm gonna go into those spaces. Yeah, they do have, you know, people definitely live in here for sure. And over there is like the city stuff, municipal properties and things. Yeah, somebody lives right there, right? I have used this parking lot before and parked my car, and I'll see people go in and out of that little alley in that street. They actually keep it pretty clean right in there. Looks nice. So yeah, this is all part of Taipa. And we're gonna walk down that, keep walking down it. Over there are some universities. So that's what makes this area so funny, because you know, you're basically surrounded by tall buildings everywhere. So you got, you know, these apartments are kind of jumped over. Then this is this kind of small gap, but then all the way over there, it's all tall apartments everywhere. This one, I kind of makes sense. It looks like, you know, some kind of factory, or not factory, but you know, like it has some kind of business purpose of some kind. All kinds of stuff in there. Okay. Kind of like city stuff a little bit, actually. Yeah, let me know the name of the street so I can label it accordingly. There's actually some makeshift housing over there, and that lady in an umbrella just came out of that spot too. So there might be a way to go in through that way, or there's a shortcut over there. But right there is a school, Anglican College. So you can kind of see, right? There's I kind of think that someday, I think at some point, like this is probably government land. They'll probably sell it, and then it'll be all those buildings that you see over there will just kind of come all the way over here, and they'll be building up into right up to all the other buildings that are here as well. Huh? It's like a little makeshift things for like construction workers. So that's dog alley down that way. So basically we're gonna walk down that way in a second. Somebody that was right there a moment ago. So yeah, let me know what the name of the street is. And I'm just gonna go into dog alley and then give it some conclusion. Actually, this dog alley used to be like dirt. Then recently they put cement in here and they paved it. And actually there's parts of it that's quite beautiful, like that right there. And I guess before, like dog alley, because dogs, right? They're actually like cleaning as well. I don't know the plan they got for this, but it's kind of cool looking, eh? We're gonna come right out to the main street right here. And this is actually a kind of interesting street that we're coming to because there's a bunch of banyan trees. So I can see if this actually changes someday, it'll be quite beautiful because check out all these trees. So you got like a whole little row of this, you know, so they could actually do a lot with this space. Like one of the things I could see happening would be you could put like a bunch of little cafes and things all the way along here, like outdoor restaurants, and they could come all the way down. Anyways, I'm gonna do another video where I'm gonna film this street, and so but yeah, so basically we're just kind of walking down that no-name street. If you know the name of it, let me know, and I'm gonna come to a nice conclusion, and I'm gonna do this street by itself later. But it's interesting because there's all this kind of stuff over that side and all this stuff over here as well. And I guess we'll just end it. And then that's basically there's a guy up there on the roof. Maybe I'll catch you in the next video. All right. Hey, check it out Macau 2023. Check out some more streets.